history of the 20th century is defined by the rivalry of two nations, the United States of America and the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, better known as the USSR. These two superpowers were not just countries, they represented two completely different ways of thinking, living, and ruling the world. On one side stood the United States, a nation built on capitalism, free markets, and democracy. On the other side stood the USSR, representing socialism, communism, and strict state control. Their conflict was not merely about weapons, it was an ideological battle, a struggle to prove which system was stronger. The world was divided into two camps, each following one of these powers. America spread its influence through Hollywood, technology, and space innovations, while the USSR showcased its power through military strength and communist movement across the globe. This clash gave birth to what we now call the Cold War, a period where both nations stockpiled nuclear weapons, built massive armies, and competed on every front, yet never fought each other directly. The real question is, who was the greater superpower, who shaped the world more, and which system ultimately triumphed? In this video, we will compare the economy, military power, ideology, and global influence of the USA and USSR to uncover how the rivalry transformed history. So let's begin. The United States followed a democratic multi-party system while the USSR operated under a strict one-party communist rule. The USA thrived on capitalism and free markets, but the USSR relied on a state-controlled planned economy. America projected its strength through a powerful navy and global bases, while the USSR built the world's largest land army. The USA was the first to use nuclear weapons, but the USSR was the first to launch an intercontinental ballistic missile. America celebrated putting the first man on the moon, while the USSR led early with the first satellite and human in space. The USA pioneered computers, the internet, and microchips, while the USSR focused mainly on military and space technology. The USA formed NATO with Western allies, while the USSR created the Warsaw Pact with Eastern Bloc nations. America spread democracy and capitalism, while the USSR supported communism and socialist revolution worldwide. Hollywood movies and pop music defined American culture, while the USSR relied on propaganda posters and socialist art. The USA maintained the world's largest GDP, while the USSR held the second largest but far less efficient economy. Americans enjoyed consumer goods and modern lifestyle, but Soviet citizens often faced shortages and rationing. Private companies in the USA drove innovation, while the Soviet breakthrough were almost entirely state-directed. The USA promoted creativity through liberal arts, while the USSR excelled in STEM and technical training. America combined private and public healthcare, while the USSR provided universal healthcare of basic quality. Americans were granted freedom of expression, while Soviets lived under strict censorship and surveillance. The USA invested heavily in its navy and nuclear power, while the USSR poured massive resources into its army and weapons. The USA and USSR never fought directly but clashed through proxy wars like Vietnam, Korea, and Afghanistan. The CIA and the KGB turned espionage into a silent battlefield of the Cold War. The Olympics became a stage where the USA dominated basketball, while the USSR excelled in gymnastics and hockey. American scientists advanced medicine and physics, while Soviet scientists pushed nuclear and space research. The USA embraced religious freedom, while the USSR officially promoted atheism and discouraged worship. The USA changed leadership through elections, while the USSR had authoritarian leaders for decades. The USA welcomed immigrants and cultural diversity, while the USSR restricted movements and closed its borders. The USA balanced heavy industries with consumer goods, while the USSR focused almost entirely on heavy industries and weapons. The USA became a car-driven society while the USSR depended on trains and public transport. Fast food and abundance defined America while Soviet life often meant waiting in ration lines for basic items. The USA spread messages of freedom while the USSR spread visions of a workers' paradise. The United States remained a global superpower while the USSR collapsed in 1991. The USA is symbolized by the Statue of Liberty and the American Dream, while the USSR is remembered by the hammer and sickle. The USA continues to shape global politics while the USSR's legacy remained tied to the Cold War and its dramatic collapse. The Cold War rivalry between the United States and the USSR was more than just a struggle for dominance. It was a battle of ideas, economies, and military power that reshaped the entire 20th century. In the end, the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, leaving the United States as the world's sole superpower. But history never gives us only one answer. The USSR may have fallen, yet its influence still echoes in today's world, and the question it raised about power, equality, and ideology remain alive. So here's the question for you: which power do you think had a greater impact on the world? The USA with its global dominance or the USSR with its revolutionary vision? Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparison, because history is not just about the past, it's the key to understanding our future.